Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the radio and choosing the correct source so you isolate where sound should come from. First, turn ignition to accessory or run. That powers the head unit. Next, make sure the radio isn't muted and the volume knob isn't stuck. Also check your phone or Bluetooth device volume and steering wheel controls. Once done, try a known audio source like FM or a 60-second test tone so you confirm the head unit is producing an audible signal to the system. Now you diagnose the signal path and settings to find hidden causes. Adjust balance and fade to ensure sound isn't routed to one speaker. Wrong settings can make volume seem dead. Open audio menus and disable extreme EQ or loudness that distort perceived volume, and if using Bluetooth, try reconnecting or switching codecs. Inspect wired inputs and test USB or AUX to see if the head unit outputs clean audio. If one input works and another doesn't, you've narrowed the fault to that source or its wiring. To finish, perform targeted resets and run validation tests so you confirm repair. Try a soft reset first, and only factory reset if you've backed up presets. This clears software glitches that affect volume. Inspect speaker fuses and harness connectors behind the head unit and under seats, and test each speaker individually or with a portable speaker to isolate failures. If you have an amplifier, check its gain, remote turn-on lead, and grounds. If nothing restores volume, the key troubleshooting tip is to measure speaker continuity or swap a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.